Welcome all to the video on mind mapping tool. As a teacher, we often distribute notes to our students in the form of Word document, PDF, videos, PowerPoint presentations and so on. We include pictorial representation in our notes, and to draw this pictorial representation, we use Word, Paint, PowerPoint presentation. And each and every time we include a block, we select a shape, drag them, connect multiple blocks using lines and arrows, it becomes quite hectic for us. Now to make this task simpler, we go for a mind mapping tool. In this video, we are going to learn one such mind mapping tool called as MindMaster. To open MindMaster, in a new tab, I type mindmaster.io. So as you can see, it has two options, either to use it online or we can download it in our desktop. So I'm going to go with online. I click on this try free. We need to sign up. I already have an account, so I'm going to directly log in. You can use this create a new account and sign up. I click on login. So this is a cloud and all your files will be saved here. To open a new work, on my left hand side I click on new. Here I have various templates as you can see, but these 4 templates are available for free and all the other templates with the pro mentioned here are for paid version. Now I'll go with this first template. To select a template, I click on this. It opens a new tab. Here this is my workspace where I'm going to draw. On my left hand side I have various settings here and on my top also. Now I want a colorful background. I do not want a plain white background, so I click on this background here. The settings here is changed. Under the background section I have 3 options. The first option, I click on this, I can select a color, or by clicking on the second option I have various templates here, or I can choose the image also by clicking on this browse file from. I can select an image and add as a background. I can even remove this by clicking on this icon here, remove background. I'll just stick to a template here. So moving on to a diagram here, I click on this block. I click on the text here. I change the text. I want to change the color. On my right hand side under the section shape, the first icon fill color, I change the color. I can even change the shape by clicking on this second icon here. I'll just stick to this first, but we can change the colors. Moving on to the third icon to change the border color. I can even change the thickness or the style of line. As you can see, the roundness of the shape. Now I click on this. There is a plus button here. I click on this. A subtopic I can add. Now I click on the plus icon here. I want to add one more subtopic here. I click on the text. I want to add one more subtopic here. On my right hand side I have topic format. I click on this first icon, themes. I can select a particular theme. Few themes are available for free version and the others are available for paid version. I click on the second icon, layout. These layout are available for paid version. We have quite few options for free versions also. I select this. The third icon to change the connector style. As you can see, the connections style are changed. I'll go with this. The fourth option is to select numbering. As you can see, numbers have appeared here. I can even remove it by clicking on the same icon and selecting remove numbering. So we have various options. Few are available for paid version alone and few for free version. I click on this next icon here, mark. We have various symbols which we can add. I select this ICT tools and select this one. As you can see, the number 1 has appeared. I can add a star. I can change the color. I can even add images. On the top I have an option here, insert. I click on select files. So image is added. I can add subtopic for this image also. I click on this plus symbol here. I'm just typing a random text. I can add a subtopic for this also. I click on this plus. I click on this image here and I click on insert topic. I can add multiple parent topics as well as you can see parent topic, or similar to a word we can add insert a block before or after. And if I want to give connection between these two diagrams, I select on this main idea here. I click on this insert relationship. As you can see, it shows a connection. I want to end the connection here, so I click on this. It ends. I need to add a label here. So a label is added and a connection is established to interlink it. The formula editor is available only for the paid version. I click on the subtopic here. I can add a background boundary here. As you can see, a boundary is added. I can add link. Suppose I want to insert a note or a command for this image. I select this image. I click on insert note. I click on confirm. Here the symbol is shown that a note is inserted. If I want to add a comment, I click on add comment. I click on send. Now here, as you can see on the image, one more icon which shows a comment is added. So these two are used for the range of the connectors. We can edit them also. I can even add a call out here. As you can see, a call out is added. I can edit the text here. So moving on to the saving options. Here I can directly save this with the same file name, or click on save as and change the file name. Click on. It takes a few seconds to save. Now it is saved under the name ICT. I can even edit now also. I've clicked on this page and I insert a topic here. As you can see, a topic is inserted. I click on this main idea here. I click on insert topic. A topic is added. Now I click on the save icon here. It is saved. Now to export, I click on this export icon here. I can export this as image, EMNX file, PDF, or print it. I'll go with image. I click on graphics. I want it as a JPEG image. I click on it. I click on confirm. The image is downloaded. This is the downloaded image here. I can even share this by clicking on the share icon. I click on share. I copy this link and share it, or I can use an HTML or directly share any of this. I can even add a collaborator. I click on this collaboration. I click on create link. Here I have the option to change reader, editor, manager. I want it to be reader. Icon to copy the link. Once I share the link, anyone can view this. I hope everyone enjoyed MindMaster. One more advantage of using this tool is we can refer this to our students when they ask to submit any mind mapping work. They can use this tool to do their work. They will find this refreshing to work with this. I hope everyone enjoyed. Thank you.